In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word not opening on Android and iOS. If Microsoft Word is not opening on your Android phone or iPhone, or the app stops working when you try to launch it, there are a few simple things you can try to get it working again. First, completely close Microsoft Word on your phone. If the app is currently running in the background, remove it from your recent apps so that it is no longer active. Then try opening Microsoft Word again. If Word still does not open, restart your phone. Turn your device off and then turn it back on. Once your phone has restarted, try opening Microsoft Word again and check whether the problem has been resolved. Next, make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. If you are using mobile data, you can check your connection or switch to a Wi-Fi network. A reliable connection may be needed for certain Microsoft Word features and account-related services to work correctly. After that, check whether Microsoft Word is up to date. Open the App Store on your device and look for Microsoft Word. If an update is available, update the app and then try opening it again. On Android, you can also check the app settings for Microsoft Word and clear its cache. Open your phone settings, find the Apps section, select Microsoft Word, and look for the storage options. From there, choose the option to clear the cache. Then try opening Word again. If you are using an iPhone and Word is still not working, you can close the app completely and restart the device before trying again. Another thing to check is the available storage on your phone. If your device is almost full, some applications may not work properly. Check your available storage and make sure there is enough space for the system and applications to operate normally. If Microsoft Word continues to have problems after trying these steps, you can remove the app from your device and then set it up again from the appropriate app store. After that, open Word and sign in to your Microsoft account if required. Keep in mind that the exact settings and menu names can be slightly different depending on your Android or iOS version. By closing the app, restarting your phone, checking your internet connection, updating Word, clearing the cache on Android, and checking your available storage, you can troubleshoot many common Microsoft Word problems on mobile devices. And that's how you can fix Microsoft Word when it is not opening or working properly on Android and iOS. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,